Hello everybody, the next version of the web app is here. So there is now some changes in the draft mechanic and some new feature also. So we're gonna dive into it first. We're gonna see what mechanic changes on this web app. So yeah, first of all, you need to open your Visual Studio Code and make sure you have installed this live server. Yeah, make sure you have already installed it. Then yeah, if you install it, go back and then click this file button and then open folder. And you go to the folder, you go to the directory that you have extracted the file, the web app file. For me it's here, and then select folder. After that you will seeing this, and yes, you can see there is some changes here. Before the JavaScript it's all over this place. Now I'm moving on in here, and what is the changes that I make is first, now the version of 10 band and the version of 6 band is in the same is in the same file. So as you can see here, there's a control and control band 6, and also display and display band 6. So this control it's for 10 band, and this control band 6 is for 6 band, and also this one display is for 10 band, and display band 6 is for 6 band. So now for example, we're gonna do this on the OBS. So let me open my OBS a bit. So now we're gonna demonstrate it on OBS. So first of all, yes, back to Visual Studio Code, and then okay, now you're gonna press this go live button, and then it will be pop up something like this. Now it's already open, but yeah, we are gonna do first one from the control. Yeah, this one. So what the change in this control? Okay, now open this, open with live server, and copy this one, and then close, minimize it, and go back to your OBS. First you need to go to the docs, and then press the custom browser docs and make a doc names, maybe control 10 band, and then paste the URL, this one, and then click apply. After you will click apply, you will see this. Yes, you will see this. This is our control for the draft. Now as you can see here, this is the new design and the new mechanic also. I will explain to you how it works. So first of all, the timer control is changed to draft control now. So for the resetting of the draft, you just need to press this button, reset draft, and the draft is reset. Okay, so we're gonna leave it here. Maybe we can close it a bit, then apply close. Now we're gonna open our Visual Code Studio again, and remember we are using the 10 band, so pick this one, display.html, and then right click and open with live server. After that you just need to copy this and then move back to your OBS, and then in the source you can press plus and then browser and call it display draft. URL, paste it, and for width 1920, and then click OK. And then as you can see now, the drafting is here. So we are back to the docs and open the control 10 band, and I will demonstrate you how to do it. So first, yeah, it's still the same. You can input the name of the team. For example, RQ Hoshi, and then the red side also Onyx PH Philippines, and the score is 0-0. And then yes, you can insert logo also. We will try with this, and then this one. Now okay, now what is the mechanical change that I'll talk about? So before, in the previous version, you need to press the button called next space after you input the name of the heroes. So now as you can see here, there is only one input on the banding from blue side and red side that can you can input the text. So for example here, so what is this? So now you don't need to press next space to go to the next draft. So for example here, you just need to type the hero. Maybe they will ban Patrick.
Time and tide wait for no man nor girl.
Now Patrick is now it's automatically go to the next space, and then you can see the next banning is in here. And then maybe we can try to ban another heroes, maybe Esmeralda.
The night sky tells all.
Now as you can see, it goes to the blue side again. So yeah, so this is basically the spacing is basically just same as before, and it used the 10 band pacing, so it will be like bending blue side, bending red side, bending blue side, bending red side, and then bending blue side again, bending red side, and then pick blue side. So we're gonna fill it up. Maybe we're going to pick band Hayabusa.
Sanjo.
And if like if something happen, like the team forgot to bend, or they are forgetting to bend, and as you can see, how can we move in this set? Because it's need to be filled to go to another page. You don't need to worry, you just need to press this button, force next page, so it will be forcing to the next page. As you can see, now it's forcing to the next page. We're gonna fill maybe both views.
I am not the only one bound by these chains.
And then this also, maybe we take
It is
Amon.
better to be feared than loved, if you cannot both.
Now we're going to the pick. Maybe Gulu.
You are facing a cluster.
Now as you can see, now it's 2. Yeah, so you need to fill those 2 and then go to the next page. So maybe we will pick Zetian, the new hero,
Crowned by heaven's mandate, my legacy shall endure.
and Terizla.
10 years of imprisonment.
So that's the mechanic. And if like you pick the wrong hero, you don't need to worry. So how can we change this? I picked the wrong hero. Oh, you don't need to worry, you just need to press this correction button and then change it. Oh wait, sorry. And then change it. For example, this one is Terizla right before, and then we can change it to Amon,
It is better to be
and then
feared
exit
than
the
loved,
correction.
if you cannot both.
But Amon is already banned, and correction again. Then we change it to Selena maybe. Yes.
When you gaze
Then
into
exit the
abyss,
correction.
The abyss gazes back.
And then we exit the correction, and then we move on to the draft. So maybe next is Akai
Kai enters the scene.
and Jauhead.
Tugasku untuk melindungi gadis kecilku.
And then they will be here. They will be picking Argus.
Light will fall prey to shadow.
Okay, and the next page they will be picking Alpha, maybe banning Alpha maybe.
Fast. Alpha is online.
And here also maybe they will banning Franco.
The smell of gunpowder in the morning.
Here they will ban Fanny,
Sir, what's your command?
and maybe they will ban Kalia here.
My tail's been itching for a real fight.
Now they will picking who is available?
True love.
Carmela,
is like blood.
and of course the OP hero
I am
Mia.
the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
And now we need what in this draft? We need mid laner, the OP mid laner also.
You should be ashamed for not trusting yourself.
And then the last pick they are need, what is this? They are need Layla.
Ready, go!
And now as you can see, the draft is complete, so you don't need to press the next page, you don't need to press anything, you just fill it up. Okay, that's the new mechanic of this draft, same as the 6 band. This is the new mechanic. And also, I kind of forgot, so when you back to this, okay, when you back to this, don't forget to start. Don't forget to press the start in this first page, so the timer will starting. Okay, so that's the new mechanic that I'll talk about. So how about the 6 bands? So to do the 6 bands, first you need to hide it up, and then go to your Visual Studio Code, and then go to Control Band 6, open with Live Server, just copy it, and then go to Docs, and then Custom Browser Doc. Now you take it as Control 6 band, then paste it. Then as you can see, this is the 6 band control, and then we're gonna paste the display as also. We're gonna close it a little bit, and then go to this display 6, copy it, then back docs, sorry, astaga. What happened? I don't know. Okay. Okay, now we're here. We're just here. Okay, now we just here. Just forget about it. Just press this plus button and then go to browse again and then display 6 draft and then paste the URL here and with 100.1920. Okay, and then this is the 6th band. It's also the same, but now as you can see here, the first band is going from here. So in this particular area, like 1 2 3 4, there is no image showing. And we open the control now and we're starting the draft. So it's still the same basically. Oh wait, we need to reset it. So timing is starting. Okay, so it's basically still the same as before, but now the banding is only set 1 2 3, and then it's also 1 2 3. So as you can see here, maybe they pick Ben Aldos,
fists are unflinching.
they ban Akai,
enters the scene.
they ban Alucard,
Demons shall bathe in their blood. The light belongs to the righteous.
they ban Alice.
My kiss grants you immortality or death.
Now like a 6 band pacing. Blue set 1, red set 1, blue set 1, red set 1, and then go to pick. So this is the first pick will be Alucard. Oh no, Alucard is already.
The light belongs to the righteous.
Oh no, the Alucard is already been, so we need to correct it as always. Fredrin.
See value in me?
The next,
You should.
the next is the correction. We go to here. They pick Argus.
Light will fall prey to shadow.
There's nowhere for the evil to hide.
Rafaela, and then Guinevere.
I'm born with talent.
Parsha. Phrsa.
Payback time.
And then
The
Novaria.
falling stars brought us here.
And then for the banning next is Hanzo, maybe. They ban
All
Hanzo.
who dare stand in my way will be devoured.
Then they ban Lucas here.
Let's fight to our heart's content!
And they're picking Savior.
This time, the choice is mine.
And they are picking Kalea
My tail's been itching for a real fight.
and Zitian.
Crowned by heaven's mandate, my legacy shall endure.
And then the last one they pick OP Hero.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Now as you can see, the draft is complete, and then you just need to go to the post draft. So in the post draft there is no adjustment, it's still the same. Okay, maybe I can show you the post draft also, but yeah, there is nothing. The post draft is basically still the same with, and not the post game but the post draft. This one, just copy it and then paste it. Browser post draft. Paste 192 1080. Oh yes, the post draft is also. Oh sorry, I forgot. But this post draft is also got an adjustment. So before I got an input that the nickname is not visible enough. So now I changed how the nickname is how the nickname looks. So we're back to this 6 band, control 6 band, and then we're gonna change the naming. So I will change it like. Now if we type it here, just like false GL. Nah, you can, as you can see, now the naming is from right here. Before it was here, and now it's here. False GL, and then Rafa player 1 play up. Now as you can see, the naming is there, so it will be visible lah. Hop. That's for the post draft, the adjustment for post draft also. And then the next two feature, and then and then what about the new feature? So there is two new feature in this web app. First it will be a schedule. So this is important for, so the schedule is important for the org to arrange their match. And sometimes it's painful to make a manual schedule in OBS itself, so I make this one, so it will be handy to you guys. Wait, let me make it announcement countdown. So this will be our announcement countdown. Now we're gonna take a background, I guess. Yes, I will choose this background and then looping. So this will be our background, and now we want to put our schedule here. So how we gonna do it? So first you're gonna go to the Visual Studio Code and then go to this particular web HTML that called, where is it, schedule control. Okay, and then right click, open with left server, and then you just copy this and then back to your OBS, go to your docs, custom browser docs, and then doc name schedule, then paste the URL and then apply, and then you will see here this is the schedule control. You can drag it. For me personally, I'm going to this, and as you can see now, there is schedule 1, schedule 2, schedule 3, schedule 4. So I think 4 is enough, but if you guys like have much, I don't know what to do. Yeah, 4 is enough. Even the MPL just use 3, I think. Yeah, 3. MPL just use 3, or if it's like the match is so much, they use 4 for the timing. And then we'll go, and then the next steps is you're going to Visual Studio Code, back again to the schedule display, right click, open with left server, then you copy this. After you copy it, back to OBS Studio, go plus button and browser, and then call it schedule display, and then paste the URL. Oh, sorry. Copy this, and then paste the URL, and then for the width itself, I think at 100 is enough, but the height is the fixed one, so you need to fill this 1080. Okay, you need to remember this, and then click OK. So for the first time you see nothing, but for the first time you see nothing. How to use this schedule control? So as you can see here, there is show on display checkbox here in all of the schedule. So to show the schedule, you need to press this, you need to check this button, so it will be showing here. So as you can see now, the schedule is showing. Also for the second one is, yes, the schedule is showing, and the third one is showing, and the fourth one is showing. So you can adjust it how many schedule that you have, and you can also adjust it where you will put this schedule. So for example, I will just put it here. I will just do some framing here. Okay, and then make it some text here. Just call it today match, and then maybe I'm going to do it band script, bold, semi condense. Okay, and then yeah, just adjust it. Today's match. Hop. Now as you can see, this is our announcement countdown. So to fill it up, you just need to go to the schedule control now and then fill the name. So first, maybe the first message will be RQ Hoshi. Again, Onyx Philippines. And then you can pick the logo also. Yes, I will choose this file and then choose this file. And then as you can see, this is there is a blank space here. You can type, you can insert whatever you want here. So for example, I will fill it up with match 1, or maybe yes, match 1, and then the timing maybe 18:00 GMT plus 7. Yes, as you can see now, yeah, there is in here. And yeah, the schedule 2 is also, you can fill it up. Score is 0. Of course, score is 00. Score is number, guys. Blah 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 blah. And then text maybe match 2. 18 blah blah. Not 18. 19 blah blah. GMT plus 7. Then you also can insert the logo. Just pick the same logo nah. Then for schedule 3 it's also can maybe we can call it blah 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 blah, and I just blah 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 here too. For the logo itself, same. Then yes, this is the schedule number 3. Then if you need schedule number 4, you just need to show this, and then yeah, you just need to adjust it. So like, what if it's too big? Yeah, you just need to, as you can see, you just need to shrink it down. Don't worry if it's don't worry guys if it's like maybe you see it's too small. No, it's not small. If you see on your computer, yeah, let me full screen this. Let me full screen this. This is big, guys. It's not small, it's big. I think and I think the size is like an MPL announcement countdown here. I don't know, I don't check it, but yeah, it's just what I'm thinking. But it's big, guys. It's not that small. But as you can see, it's here in OBS. Look like small, but it's not small actually. Yes. And then yeah, for for schedule 4 also you can insert blah 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 blah. So this one, just remember this score is 00. This score is number, and it's gonna keep up with 20. Like it's not a volley, so it won't be 21. It will be like only the maximum score is 5. Base of 7, 4. Yes, 4. The maximum score is 4. It won't be exceeding from 4. Or maybe you're gonna do this with the for volley match also. Yeah, that can be used also. Then you can insert any text here. Logo also you can input it. Oh sorry, don't use. Logo also you can input it. Yes. You can input the logo also. Then if you like I'm not gonna I want to reset all of it. You just need to reset schedule. But keep in mind, if you reset the schedule, it will reset all. It will reset all thing in your particular schedule. For example, this schedule 4, I will press this reset schedule button, and then it will be resetting all. For schedule 3 also reset. Okay. Schedule 2 also reset. Okay. Schedule 1 also reset. As you can see, all reset. So yeah, it's come handy to you as an org, as a streamer, so it won't be take too long to I must go to the store and no. It make your life easier. Okay, this is the first of the new features. And what is the next the second feature that have in this web app? So the second feature is the scoreboard. What? Scoreboard again? What with this? So now this new feature of scoreboard is linked with Scoresight. If you don't know Scoresight, maybe you need to see to my videos. I will drop the link below, or you can see it on the screen. Basically, you use the Scoresight for taking the data from scoreboard in Mobile Legends, and then take it as a text data, and then you manipulate it and go with your scoreboard, so it look like an MPL. Okay, it's look like more professional. But keep in mind, this scoreboard, this Scoresight is not accurate enough. Yes, I don't know why it's not accurate enough. Maybe it's need more development, or yeah, I don't know. But the scoreboard is not, the Scoresight is not, this scoreboard is not accurate enough. Okay, I will demonstrate to you how to do it. So first of all, you need to install the Scoresight. The link is, I will provide the link below. And after you install the Scoresight, you need to open the Scoresight. Oh wait, sorry, not the Scoresight first. First you need to open your Mobile Legends. Okay, first you need to open your Mobile Legends. Now I'm using the Google Play Games emulator because it's more light, and yeah, it feels fast to me, more reliable to me, and more fast also. Recommended for you guys, Google Play emulator, if you need an observer application. Okay, so now we are already opening our Mobile Legends. So what do we do now? So we need to set it up first, all of the things. So the first thing that you need to do is going to make a custom room. And then just invite one of your friends. Okay, I'm inviting friends here. It's not friends actually, it's my account, my second account, my first account, my main account. Then we will do here as an observer, and then just add bot. Yeah, maybe all of them. So yeah, who knows. And and then start the game. So so as you can see, now we're in Mobile Legends, and keep in mind you need to make it full screen. Don't make it like this. Oh, sorry, don't make it like this. Okay, make sure it's full screen. Okay, make sure it's full screen, and the resolution is 1920 times 180 or full HD. I'll show you the resolution that we're gonna use. So after this, after the Mobile Legends is opening, maybe we can follow this particular hero, and then you need to open your score set. So I will open my score set here. Scoresight. Okay, this is our score set. So the first time you will see here is something like this. Okay, and it's no problem at all. First you need to go to select a source, and then pick a screen capture, and then pick your Mobile Legends app. For me it is Mobile Legends Bang Bang, and then okay. Then after that you will see something like this. It's pretty normal. As you can see the jaggy screen and also blah 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 blah. It's good. Okay, it's good. And then for the adjustment, you will do this, so please see this carefully. For the detection, you just need to ramp it up here maybe, and then press update on change, and then press also the save OCR training data. Okay, now you need to see this carefully. For the left, you type it 450, and for the right top is for top you leave it 0, and then for the right you type again 450. Then for the bottom you need to type 99999. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to go to the file and then import configuration. In this particular site you need to open the folder of your Webapp, the installed Webapp. So I'm going here, and then this project, not project, tutor blah, open this, and then go to the external, and then press the Scoresight setting.json, and then open it. Now as you can see here, the data is collecting. We're not complete yet. You guys need to go to the OCR model now, this particular one, and then general scoreboard, you need to change it to general fonts English. Now yeah, it's good. And now the last setting, and this is the important one, you need to go through this one by one. Okay, so you need to scroll it down, and then click the blue gold, change the type to text, and select the preset to any text. Okay, select the preset to any text. And also for the red gold, go to so for the red gold it's also the same. Go to the type and change it to the text, and select preset for any text. And also for the timer, the last one, the timer, you go for the type and then to the text, and then select preset, and then select any text. Okay, now the score set setting is completed. And also guys, please remember, every time you boot up the Scoresight, you need to repeat the last step. Okay, not the whole step, but only the last step. You need to change the blue gold and red gold to preset any text and text, and also the timer to text. So you need to keep remember, every time you boot up again every time you open again your Scoresight, you need to do the last step again. Okay, now is the Scoresight setting is completed. Now we're going back to our OBS here, and then yeah, we will set up an MLBB scenes now, MLBB observer, like call it MLBB. Okay, and then go to place, and then go to insert your Mobile Legends. For me, I'm using window capture, and then okay, select the blah blah. Then don't forget to this capture cursor, you need to uncheck this, and then if you want to capture audio, you can capture it. But yeah, and then for the capture method, I usually use pick this Windows 10 blah blah blah, and then click OK. And then as you can see here, the scoreboard is the Mobile Legends screen is here. Now you need to insert the Scoresight OCR. So how we gonna do it? We need to go back to Visual Studio Code and then press this particular HTML Scoreboard OCR. Then right click and open with live server. Just copy this. And then we're going back to Mobile Legends. Not Mobile Legends, we're going back to OBS. Plus button, browser, scoreboard OCR. And then paste the URL. And then for the width, 1920. And for it, 1080. And then click OK. And as you can see now, the scoreboard is automatically do. Voila. So yes, this is the new scoreboard that I'm talking about. And like, wow, I don't want to use this OCR scoreboard. Oh, it's okay. If you don't want to use this OCR scoreboard, you just need to use the old one, which means this one, scoreboard.html. Open it and then just copy it. Plus browser scoreboard, just call it scoreboard, and then paste it. Sorry. And then paste it. Where is it? It's scoreboard. And then for the width, same. Okay. And then as you can see, the old scoreboard is back. And if you don't want to use this, yes, if you want, you just can use this. So as you can see, 66 for the so as you can see, as what I said, it's not accurate enough. Sometimes the data is fluctuative like this. You can see there is no K. Sometimes it's doing like that, but yeah, you can, if you want to do this, yeah, you can do it also. And yeah, sometimes you see it's gone. And I think the timer, it's like maybe an error, like have an error for only 1 second error. Only 1 second error. So if you see your timer is going like none and like NaN, you just need to refresh the scoreboard. You just need to pick this and refresh it until the timer is right. So yes, I think it's already right. And yeah, the scoreboard is done. So this is the new feature that you can use for your tournament, for your web app. All of it, you can download it, and yes, you can use it all. Basically you can use it. Okay. So yeah, this is the new feature, and there is some adjustment. And so thank you everybody for watching this video. Like, if you can press that like button. Subscribe if you can press that subscribe button. Dislike if you dislike this video, or yeah, you can share it. And also and yeah, have a good day guys, and don't forget to